Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Talking eBay. Yes, we're talking eBay local pickup. So how do you do it? So here is an item here that we have for sale. It's a very large item, huge. It's $200 and shipping is around 90 bucks. So should you offer local pickup? You definitely should. It works really easy. I'm going to show you step by step how it works. So here is the offer. So it says free local pickup or $90. So if someone's local in your area, they might just buy it and say, they'll send you a message, do you mind if I pick it up? Or they might just purchase it and say local pickup only. And it works really well. So I'm going to show you how to use the app. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So if you're enjoying this tutorial, if you're enjoying my new channel, Talking eBay, please don't forget to subscribe. It helps my channel grow as well, and you'll get some information and you'll learn pretty much how to do this. So let's get to it. So again, free local pickup, or if you want to ship it, $90. This is a big item, really scary to ship, so I'm glad someone did local pickup for me. It was really super simple. So I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Any questions or comments, leave down below. I'll get right back to you. Hit that notification bell, and let's get to the video. Thanks for watching. So once the customer picks up the item, everything is confirmed. So now on your app, it'll say right here, scan to confirm pickup. So what that means is once you open your app, you're going to look at your item, and look under sold, and you're going to see this pop up. Okay, so leave feedback. This is going to say scan to confirm pickup. So what that means is the buyer has on their phone basically a QR code that's going to confirm the pickup. So all you have to do is take your phone and scan their phone, because you have the scanner, they have the QR code, and once you do that, it'll come up as confirmed pickup. That's all you have to do. Is really simple. So let's go over that one more time. So all you have to do is get your phone, pick it up, scan their QR code, and you're going to see an example here in 1 second. I'm going to show you. It says item picked up, and that's all you have to do. Once you're done, say thank you very much, great to see you, don't forget to leave me feedback, and you're all done. And that's as simple as that. Really super simple. So hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I want to make this really quick and really short and simple, just to show you exactly how this is done step by step. It is super easy. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel so I can continue helping you. I do appreciate that as always. Hey, and I'll see you at the next review. And don't forget to like this as well. Leave some comments down below. Tell me if you think this was helpful. That helps me too, so I appreciate that as well. Okay guys, till the next one.